Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. It's your English period and I'm your English teacher. Happy holy month of Ramzan. May Allah bless you with his best. Today we have to do words meaning and word sentences of poem I love to walk with mummy. You have to take out your English literature notebook. First of all, you have to mention CW, then you will mention day and date. Your topic is I love to walk with mummy. First letter of each word must be capital in your topic. Okay, then you will write poem. It's a poem. You will underline your topic and subtopic. Then you will mention exercise number 1, write meanings, put hyphen and underline your question. Words meaning, W and M must be capital of words and meanings here. Okay, then you will write your first word, that is blazing. Blazing, blazing. Blazing mean burning. Look here in this picture. In this picture, the sun is blazing or the sun is burning. Okay, this is called blazing. It's here again the picture of blazing fire. Okay, now you know what is blazing. Blazing is burning. The fire is blazing. Then you will write your next word, that is nodding. Nodding means movement of head. Look here in this picture, it's the movement of head. The man is nodding. Okay. Then you will write down your third word, that is beneath. Beneath is under. Okay. Look here in this picture, the ball is beneath the table. Okay. Means the ball is under the table. You have to write your fourth word, that is fan. A feather-shaped plant. Look here in this picture, it's a fan plant and it is like the shape of feather. Okay, so it's a fan leaf. Then you have to write your fifth word, that is tripping. Tripping means walk with light and quick steps. Look here in this picture, the man is tripping. Okay, the man is tripping on a hedge. Means he is walking with light and quick steps. He is tripping. After writing your words meaning, you will mention exercise number 2, make sentences. You have to underline your question, put hyphens, then word and sentences. You will underline your question and word sentences. Okay, then you will write first word for your sentences, that is blazing. Blazing means burning. You have to make sentence here by your choice. Then your second, for example, I am saying, I am making sentence of blazing, that the sun was blazing. Okay, you can make any other sentence. Your second word is nodding. Nodding means movement of head. The man was nodding. You can make another sentence of nodding. Third word is beneath. Okay. The cat was hidden beneath a bed. Your fourth word is fan. I planted fan in my garden. Okay. Your fifth word is tripping. Tripping means walk with short and quick steps. So, I am making sentence of tripping. The thief was tripping. You can make any other sentence. You have to make sentences by yourself. Okay. After doing sentences, you will mention exercise number 3, write theme. Here you have to write theme of this poem, I love to walk with mommy. For writing the theme of this poem, you have to open your read now. First of all, you have to write that who has written this poem. For this question, you will come here and you have to find out the name of writer, that is at the bottom of your poem. That is N.R. Sibley. You will write this poem is written by N.R. Sibley. Then you will describe what the poet want to say in this poem. So you will write in this poem the poet is expressing his love with his mother. You will only write theme into 3 or 4 lines. For example, then after writing the name of writer, then you will write that poet want to enjoy every scene of nature with his mother. In first paragraph, he said that he want to enjoy the poincinas tree and blazing red sun and Santa Claus. All these things he want to enjoy with his mother. Means the poet want to be at side of his mother and he want to enjoy everything with his mother because he feels very much safe in the company of his mother. He feels delighted because his mother is protecting him from every bad deed or from everything. So he feels very much comfortable in the company of his mother. Then the poet said that he can wait for his mother for a long time because his mother is like a fairy queen for him, and he said that fairy queen will never be late, so he can wait for his mother when she will set her. Okay, here he is expressing his love with his mother and comparing his mother with a fairy. Now you will describe theme of this poem into 3 to 4 lines. Do this work on your LIT notebook and then you have to send me your feedback.